Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to play YesCoin game. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is you want to go to X and you want to search for YesCoin. From there you want to click on the first link, wait a few seconds and click on open. Now you need to have Telegram for this to work, so just be aware. From there you want to click on play for airdrop and then you just start scrolling like so, and that's basically how you play the game. You can click on build, you have different things you can do here. Multi-value is basically amount per coin for one plus one level, so you don't get one coin, I get 4 coins. Coin limit just increases your coin limit. Fill rate increases coin fill speed on the screen, and YesSpec automatically collects yes coins, and there are 5 different levels of it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.